Hello everyone, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I will quickly show you how to customize your email design to tailor the look and feel of your invitation. The Composer tab of your invitation is where you find the tools to customize the design of your email, such as the background, images and text. Here is where you can add an Add to Calendar option, a QR code, information about sessions, the RSVP button and social media share buttons. Click on the Background section to choose an image or to change the color of your email background. You can insert hex color codes if you have your own brand colors or select one from the gradient menu. The Image section is where you can upload an event logo, image or banner. Please note that image-only emails have a higher tendency to be flagged by spam filters, so we always recommend adding body text to avoid emails going into spam. To add text to your email body, click on the Text tab and add your event details as well as any hyperlinks and dynamic tags to personalize the content. This is where you can change the font, style, size and color of your text. Click on the Add to Calendar section and turn the toggle on if you want to allow your guests to save your event to their personal calendars. Further customize the buttons to match your invitation design. The same logic applies to the social share icons. Turn the toggle on and insert the respective URLs to direct your guests to your social media pages. Turn the button toggle on to include an RSVP button to your invitation. You can also customize the look of the button. If you are using a standalone email template, you can choose if you want the button to direct your guests to a response form or to an external URL, while on email plus form templates, the button will always link to the response form. You can add a QR code to your invitation by turning the QR code toggle on. You can then define if your guests will use it to check into your event or as a digital business card. If you want to let your guests know the details of a specific session, turn the Sessions toggle on and further customize the text. You can even add an Add to Calendar option just for that session. Duplicate both the image and the text sections of your email if you want to use multiple images or add text in different parts of your invitation. Just click on the duplicate icon that appears once you hover your mouse on top of the sections. If you need to rearrange the different sections to further customize your email, you can simply click and drag the section to where you want to move it to. The Plain Text section enables you to send a stripped-down, text-only version of your email. To hide a section, you can click on the respective tab and turn the toggle off, or delete it completely by clicking on the link at the bottom of the section. Always remember to save any edits or changes that you make in the invitation by clicking on the golden Save Changes button in the top right corner. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles on our invitations feature, and thanks for watching!